Nigeria's federal government has been tasked to collaborate with youth groups in achieving effective climate action for the country. Now, this was during a summit in Abuja, which was aimed at equipping youths with adequate skills to understand the nation's climate action plan and implement same in communities across the country. Amadine Uyi reports.
The summit had in attendance youth-led civil society organizations as they presented their work around climate action and shared their achievements. The session, which is designed to foster collaboration, learning, and mutual support among the groups, aimed at equipping the youths with the skills to understand Nigeria's climate action plan.
This program, which is empowering youth civil society organizations to build stronger communities in Nigeria, is training youth organizations to understand Nigeria's climate action priorities and the role that they can play in the implementation. So far, we've trained 15 youth organizations in 5 states directly, and these youth organizations have used the train-the-trainer model to train up to around 180 to 200 organizations in their communities to understand Nigeria's climate action policies and then know ways to be able to engage with their state government on developing a local adaptation plan of action.
Today at this event, what became really clear, one thing that was mentioned every time again, for me was awareness, and I think it's becoming increasingly visible that awareness is a huge factor in the work on climate change. So this means that even though the effects of climate change are quite real, even in Nigeria, and we can see them and experience them, lots of people are not aware that these are actually the effects of climate. So we heard in one presentation that all throughout August there was no rain, and people were wondering why is there no rain, but they were never connecting it to climate change. Because
some of the groups say the summit will place young persons in Nigeria at the core of the nation's climate action plan, making them part of Nigeria's change process. They also called for more collaboration with governments in a bid to tackle problems resulting from climate change.
The good thing about where we are right now is that there's more awareness. Young people are paying more attention. I mean, young people make up 65% of the population in Nigeria. And imagine if we had that population actually raising awareness about climate change, we'll be in a better place come COP29, and which is what this summit is about, getting young people to be involved in the conversation, to be part of the change makers who are going to be there, be part of the policies that would, be in place when Nigeria goes to COP29.
So far, we've been getting little support from the government. We've not gotten the kind of support we want. And you know that, like they say, young people are the bedrock of any improving or growing society. So it means that for us at Enugu, we would like for more partnership with the government, right, to be able to get to the final solution a bit better.
We have a lot of greenhouse emissions. You see a lot of dump sites, and in those communities you don't have like a specific dump site where that people can come and they can pack it, and also maybe recycle that. So those are one of the problems. We also have a lot of problems in terms of flooding, where we don't have proper drainage systems, and right now we are now also working with Ministry of Environment and to see how we can be able to solve those kind of problems, and these are just local context issues that we are trying to solve.
Participants at the summit say they hope to form a synergy that will help the nation achieve its climate action goals. In Abuja for NewsCentral, I am Amadine Uyi.